Hello friends, today we will learn how to join the Canva Creator Program. It is very easy. If you don't know, then watch this video completely. So let's start the video. First open your Google Chrome and here search for Canva Creator. Click on Canva Creator and then click on Become a Creator. Click below on Apply. And here type in which topic you want to learn about. I click on designer. Now you have the foremost. Keep fulfilling. Click on add to cart. I choose photos and videos. Here it is. Click on the subject you like. Just click on continue below. If your level is beginner, then you can click on earning level. If your level is beginner, then you can click on earning level. Keep clicking on its continue. Here a form will come up. Keep filling that form. Enter your first name, last name and email. Keep filling out whatever is being asked to fill in on the form below. Below is also an option for language. Enter the language in which you are comfortable. If this is completed, then click on the submit option below.